चलिए आपको सीधा चेन्नई लेकर चलते हैं, जहां पर धीरज श्रीवास्तव संबोधित कर रहे हैं।
नमस्कार, खमागणी, राम राम, and a very warm good morning to all of you. I am here in Chennai for the last 2 days, and one cannot miss the presence of Rajasthanis across the city. The one board that caught my attention was Sri Venkatesha Aushdhale, which says 1935 Marwadi free Ayurvedic dispensary. I believe this hospital, which was set up by the Marwadi Charitable Trust, has been providing free treatment for the past almost 90 years. करीब 200 साल पहले बैलगाड़ी से दक्षिण की धरा पर पहुंचे राजस्थानी अपनी मेहनत और लगन से व्यवसाय की नई ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचे हैं। चाहे जन्मभूमि हो या कर्मभूमि, राजस्थानी हमेशा सेवा भावना को सर्वोपरि रखते हैं। कोरोना के समय भी उनकी सेवाएं जग जाहिर रहीं। राजस्थानियों ने अपनी काबिलियत का डंका बजाते हुए न केवल बुलंदियों को छुआ, बल्कि देश विदेश में राजस्थानियों का नाम ऊंचा किया। आई एम टोल्ड दैट इन चेन्नई वी हैव अराउंड 10 lakh of Marwadis, and it is mini Marwad which exists in Chennai. This mini Rajasthan reminds us that Rajasthani never forgets his homeland. हजारों किलोमीटर दूर रह करके भी आप अपनी जड़ों से जुड़े हुए हैं और अपनी संस्कृति को जिंदा रखते हैं। अब इस हजारों किलोमीटर की दूरी को कम करने का समय आ गया है। आपके पूर्वज जिस धरा से आए थे वो धरती अब बहुत बदल गई है। राजस्थान में जहां रेत के टीले थे वहां अब हरियाली है। द ग्रॉस स्टेट डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट ऑफ राजस्थान फॉर 2021-22 is projected to be rupees 11,98,348 crores, and this is an annual increase of 10% over the last year. We are giving you a chance to witness this change yourself. We are here to invite you to the Invest Rajasthan Summit, which is going to be held on 24th and 25th January 2022. This event is aimed at sensitizing the industry about Rajasthan's key strengths, proactive policies, and incentives and innumerable opportunities for investment across sectors. My friend and colleague Dr. Garg just made a presentation and showcased the various opportunities which exist in Rajasthan for investment. If you see what are the key words of this summit: commitment and delivered. Our visionary Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot ji is committed. He is a man of commitment. एक बार उन्होंने कमिटमेंट कर दी, फिर अपनी भी नहीं सुनते। He is committed to make Rajasthan a front runner state. We are all set to deliver on our promises of a healthy, educated, gender sensitive, prosperous and smiling Rajasthan with a well-developed economy infrastructure. A Rajasthan that stands high on the global map and move towards development and creating prosperity for all. Please allow me to highlight some trailblazing achievements of Rajasthan apart from the various opportunity sectors. Rajasthan is number 2 in terms of quality education. The state of Rajasthan has the highest number of general universities. Rajasthan has ranked 2nd in terms of energy efficiency. Rajasthan ranks 4th in terms of industrial land availability. Rajasthan has topped in installed capacity of solar energy in India. Yesterday, Rajasthan was ranked first in the category of judicial and public safety, environment and citizen-centric governance. Solar park, IT park, jute park, handicraft, food park, textile, leather park, furniture, medical equipment, you name the word and we have the entire system for that. Now we have the fintech also. These are just few examples of how Rajasthan is writing its growth story. But allow me to highlight a very important factor why this has happened. What makes Rajasthan exclusive and different? My friend just now told you about the MSME Act. Our colleagues here shared their experiences of doing businesses in Rajasthan. I'm very happy and proud to hear those experiences. But there is a factor. You saw that Rajasthan was the first state in the country to pass an MSME Act. Now what happened to you before? आपके एक अप्रूवल के लिए 101 डिपार्टमेंट और 26 permissions they were required if you want to put up a plant industry anywhere under MSME. With one stroke of pen, Mr. Ashok Gehlot has done away with everything. For 3 years, now you don't require any permission whatsoever. Put up any industry, do the business, you feel you are doing good, you are earning money, then you are most welcome to proceed further. So, the point here is the leadership and the decision-making ability of the Chief Minister under and backed up by such an able team, first ever Women Industries Minister. She is here, she has been traveling and attending all the road shows. And our senior minister, Cabinet Minister Pratap Singh ji is here today before you to convince you that it is Rajasthan which will take you to new heights. I want to apprise you that during the COVID times, that was a very challenging time. And after establishing its glory as a welfare state and handling COVID, and you remember the COVID management was appreciated not only in the country but across the world. Ashok Gehlot ji was involved in a daily monitoring virtually, and he was almost on a 12 hours video conference mode to monitor things himself, which ensured that Rajasthan dealt with the COVID situation very firmly. And now he has decided to improve the economic conditions of the state. हम लोग 2 साल जरूर पीछे हो गए कोविड की वजह से, लेकिन जो पॉलिसीज में चेंजेस किए, जो अमेंडमेंट्स लाए, उसका ये नतीजा है। आज चेन्नई में हमारा लास्ट रोड शो है, ये प्री कनेक्ट मीटिंग, एंड आई प्राउडली अनाउंस, वी आर हैप्पी टू शेयर विथ यू that over 5.39 lakh crores of MOUs and letter of intents have already been signed. Today in Chennai, almost 37,000 crore MOUs and LOIs are going to be signed. I wish to express my special thanks to Tata Power management, who on our request have expedited their agreement and are here today. They will be signing approximately 15,000, am I right? 15,000 crore MOUs. We in Rajasthan Foundation collaboration have established Doctors of Rajasthan International, an organization which consists of Rajasthani doctors living abroad. We have developed a telemedicine platform with 112 specialist doctors providing medical counseling in remote areas of the state. It is all free of cost. Just imagine कि बाड़मेर के या भरतपुर के कोई रिमोट एरिया के गांव का एक आदमी मुफ्त में दुनिया के बेहतरीन डॉक्टर से अपने घर बैठे ऑडियो और वीडियो के माध्यम से आज फ्री कंसल्टेशन कर सकता है. So non-resident Rajasthani community have been very proactive in investing in the state. I am happy to share that Rajasthani diaspora in India and abroad have responded very strongly to our invitation to be part of Rajasthan's new wave of industrialization. From the land of hospitality, we are going to transform into a land of industry. And our recent visit to Dubai showed the immense interest that NRRs have in re-engaging with their homeland. Leveraging the networks of NRRs based in Dubai, we signed more than 45,000 crores of MOU over there. I am happy to see very known faces of our Marwadi community sitting here in this hall who have spared their time to be with us today. जेडो बाजे बायरो उड़ी लीजिए ओट। अब राजस्थान में विकास का बायरा यानी हवाएं तेजी से चल रही हैं। हर समझदार व्यापारी राजस्थान का रुख कर रहा है। आपका घर है राजस्थान। आपके उद्यम और कौशल से हम इस महान धरती को और नई ऊंचाइयों पर ले जा सकते हैं। And I want to tell you, we are not only the state with the largest area in the country, but also with the biggest of the hearts. We are here to forge new partnerships, the ones that endure, the ones that last, and lead to growth of the economy and prosperity of the people of the state. Come, join us on this exciting journey. And my last word would be the same, Padharo Mare Desh. धन्यवाद, जय हिंद।
Thank you, Mr. Srivatsa. I think Tamil Nadu knows.
देख रहे हैं जहां पर तो आपको बता दें, सीधी तस्वीरें आप चेन्नई से देख रहे हैं जहां पर चेन्नई में रोड शो का आयोजन किया जा रहा है। तस्वीरों में आप देख सकते हैं धीरज श्रीवास्तव फिलहाल संबोधित कर रहे थे। मंत्री शकुंतला रावत आपको दिखाई दे रही है, साथ ही प्रताप सिंह खाचरियावास भी यहां पर मौजूद हैं। और इस दौरान लगातार इन्वेस्टर्स को राजस्थान में इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए कहा जा रहा है। और साथ ही उन्होंने कहा कि आने वाले दिनों में जब जनवरी में राजस्थान में ही समिट का आयोजन किया जाएगा तो उम्मीद कर सकते हैं कि वाकई ही बड़ी तादाद में MOU साइन होते हुए दिखाई देंगे और बड़ी ही तादाद में वहां पर इन्वेस्टर्स जो हैं वो राजस्थान में इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए वहां पर MOU साइन करेंगे। तो आपको बता दें, लगातार राजस्थान की ओर से समिट का आयोजन किया जा रहा है। फिलहाल चेन्नई से तस्वीरें हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं।
देवस्थान, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ राजस्थान, Tirumati Shakuntala Rawat ji, our respected Commissioner of the Rajasthan Foundation, Thiru Dheeraj Srivastav ji, our respected Additional Commissioner of the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, Thiru Arun Garg ji, respected Thiru Eisenhower Swaminathan ji, respected Thiru K.E. Ranganathan ji, respected Thiru Abhinav Bhatia ji, Thiru Viramani ji, Thiru Jayasilan ji, Thiru Satish ji, all the distinguished business leaders and representatives of industry who are gathered here today, especially those who are going to sign MOU or LOIs with the government of Rajasthan today, officers of the Industries Department, RICO, Bureau of Investment Promotion and Rajasthan Foundation, all the distinguished ladies and gentlemen, members of the media. It's a matter of great privilege to be here to welcome all of you to this curtain raiser and road show for the Invest Rajasthan Summit on the 24th and 25th of January 2022. A lot has been said about Rajasthan as an investment destination by my previous speakers. A film has been shown, a presentation has been made. I will not delve into the statistics of what Rajasthan has to offer. I will just like to give a personal example of a friend who was with me in college some years back, and he's running a very big software business in Rourkela in West Bengal. So in those days I was in Delhi, we met over dinner someplace, and he says, I want to expand my business. His company in Rourkela is already employing about 2,000 IT professionals, a very big setup, mostly in IT and software. And I just mentioned to him, why don't you come to Rajasthan? So between that conversation over dinner in Delhi one evening and the day he got his facility near Jaipur inaugurated, it was less than 8 months. And that facility in Jaipur is now employing more than 500 IT professionals and hundreds of others, non-IT professionals, support staff and other things. So I think in today's day and age, states are also competing with each other. I'm sure you get such investment proposals from all states, including your neighboring states, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka. Kerala also now is waking up to big investments. So the dilemma before you is where to go. Every state is beckoning investments because governments have realized that without investment, without private enterprise, the rate of development of the state cannot be sustained at a high level. So I would just like to say one thing. It's a very age-old wise saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. It's been there for ages. Rajasthan, if you're looking outside of Tamil Nadu, and if you're looking to go beyond the Narmada, north of the Narmada, then Rajasthan definitely offers the best business opportunity for you. The reasons have been elaborated by my friends who spoke just before me. But if I am an investor, what would I be looking for? Number one, an ecosystem for doing business. Rajasthan has had very stable governance, politically stable, bureaucratically very stable, very sound, and continuity of policy making.